Hello everybody, welcome back to our channel. Today also we have got another video. In this video I'll show you how you can get a read receipt on your AOL Mail. But before that, please do make sure to like our video, subscribe our channel, and yes, without any further delay, we will simply step into our video. So for example, if you are a regular user of AOL Mail, if you would like to know the read receipt or if the mail has been open or not. So apparently there is, if you go to your Google and search it up, it shows that AOL doesn't offer email tracking on its functionality. So for that purpose, you cannot actually get read receipt or track your read receipt right on AOL Mail, because it actually does not do it. It's not in the functionality as only. So if you would really like to know through AOL Mail, if you have done some work there, if you would like to really desperate to know it, the only method you can do is, it shows that AOL do support IMAP, which is a Mailbird email client, which you can check or get the receipt featured through a desktop email client like Mailbird. So you will have to go to your desktop, access Mailbird at the desktop, and you can get the read receipt of your AOL mails. So this is the only way you can do it. I hope this video was helpful to you all. If you got other questions, do leave them in the comments below, and yes, I'll be seeing you guys in our next video.